President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial resumes on Tuesday as we speak, with more witnesses to testify at the Constitutional Court. Now, it's the second to last hearing, and the question is whether the court will add any additional hearings or not. We have our Oh Soo-young to bring us the latest. Soo-young, let's begin what today's hearing will look like.
Sure, Dami, good morning. So the court just moments ago kicked off President Yoon's 7th trial hearing with him in attendance again. And the hearing today is going to see 4 witnesses summoned to testify. Beginning at 10:30 a.m., former Interior Minister Lee Sang-min is expected to have questions focusing on the meeting of cabinet ministers held before the martial law declaration on December 3rd last year. The National Assembly's impeachment panel says the president had bypassed cabinet procedures before imposing the decree. He's also believed to have received instructions on restricting the press under the rule of the martial law command. Next, National Security Advisor Shin Won-sik, who served as defense minister until September last year, is expected to be grilled over whether there was prior planning. As both the National Assembly and President Yoon's legal team have requested Lee and Shin as witnesses, the lawyers will directly question and cross-examine each witness twice. For former Third Deputy Director of National Intelligence Service, Baek Jong-wook, and Secretary General of the National Election Commission, Kim Yong-bin, the questions are expected to focus on election fraud allegations raised by President Yoon as a pretext for declaring martial law. Yoon previously said the intelligence service found significant issues while inspecting the Election Commission's electronic voting system. Thus, he ordered the military to be deployed to its headquarters on the night of December 3rd to conduct a comprehensive review.
Soo-young, now the 8th and final hearing is currently scheduled for this Thursday, but we don't know if or how long it will be extended yet. Is that so?
Yes, you're right, Dami. So a Constitutional Court official told reporters Monday that the bench hasn't yet confirmed whether there'll be additional hearings added to the schedule, which is currently set to finalize this coming Thursday. Now, in order to officially conclude the hearings, the bench needs to hear the closing statements from both legal teams, as well as President Yoon's final statement. And this would take around 2 to 3 hours. And given that there are already 4 witness testimonies planned for this Thursday, it is unlikely that the justices will conclude the hearings then. Experts say more witnesses are likely to be summoned, as some of the main testimonies we've heard so far have caused more confusion due to discrepancies with previous statements or conflicting narratives between witnesses. While the court has emphasized its commitment to a speedy trial, there's been some concern lately that the back-to-back witness questioning twice a week doesn't allow for much time for a thorough review of the testimonies or evidence. But for now, it seems the court has not yet instructed either side to prepare their final arguments, so we'll have to wait and see.
We will have to see what happens. Thank you, Soo-young, for the coverage today.